Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa. And everybody loves Medu Vada but does not like the lengthy process to make it. What if I told you you can make this crispy Medu Vada within 10 minutes, start to finish? Interested? I'm sure you are. So now let's begin and make these delicious crispy Medu Vadas right now. So guys, to make the instant 10-minute Medu Vada, let's take half cup of curd, also called as Dahi or yogurt, and let's add 1 cup of water to it. And then we are going to give everything a good stir and prepare buttermilk out of it. Let's make sure that there are no big lumps in the buttermilk, and now let's keep it aside and let's take 1 small boiled potato and then we are going to mash it using a fork. Once done, let's keep it aside and let's take a kadai and let's add 1 teaspoon of oil. And once the oil is nice and hot, then let's add 1/8 teaspoon of hing, which is asafoetida. And then we are going to follow it up with the buttermilk which we had prepared. So let's add the buttermilk and then we are going to add the mashed potatoes in along with the buttermilk. And once we are done adding the potato, we are going to give everything a good mix. Once mixed, it's time for us to add 1 cup of Sooji, also called as Rava or Semolina. Now Sooji comes in 2 varieties. One is the thick one and one is the smaller one. So go for the smaller one. And now let's give everything a good mix. Guys, make sure that there are no lumps. And once you are done mixing everything in, then it's time for us to add some salt as per our taste. And then we're going to add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, also called as Jeera, followed by 1 teaspoon of Dhania, which is fresh coriander leaves, 2 finely sliced green chillies, and you can always adjust the quantity of the green chillies as per your liking. And now let's add 5 to 6 chopped curry leaves, followed by 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onions. And now let's mix everything in. Guys, we are going to keep stirring it till the time the water evaporates and you are left with a thick dough, like so. And see guys, this is how our dough should look like. It's nice and thick. All the water has evaporated. It took about 3 to 4 minutes on a medium to high flame. And now we are going to simply cover the lid and turn off the flame. After 5 minutes, let's uncover and let's remove this dough into a plate. And guys, we are going to let it cool down so that it's not too hot when you touch it. And once it's a little cool, then let's apply a little bit of oil onto our hands so that we grease our hands basically. And then we are going to knead this dough until it becomes nice and soft and smooth. And see guys, our dough is looking nice and soft, very smooth. So now let's take a small amount of this dough into our hands and roll it and then press it down gently, and then let's make a hole in the center, giving it a Medu Vada shape. And all we need to do now is repeat the same process with the rest of the dough. And see guys, I have made couple of Medu Vadas right here. And now it's time for us to deep fry them. So in a kadai, I've already heated up some oil and let's add 1 Medu Vada at a time and wait for about 20 to 30 seconds before you turn them or move them. And after about 20-30 seconds, it's time for us to move our Medu Vada. If you move it before that, then they are bound to crumble and dismantle. And see guys, once they are nice and golden brown in color from all sides, it's time for us to remove it out in a plate covered with a paper towel so that it sucks all that excess oil. And here we go. I have made couple of Medu Vadas and I am ready to plate them. And guys, you can enjoy this Medu Vada with a side of coconut coriander chutney. The recipe of this chutney is already on my channel. I'll give the link in the description box, so do check it out. And do let me know what you think about this Medu Vada. Do try it and do write to me. Do share this recipe with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye-bye.